In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start earning passive income and make money while you sleep. Many people are scared off by remote employment opportunities for fear of getting a salary cut, having it turn into one of those creepy MLM situations, working in an industry where it's not feasible, or feeling like they would be easily distracted. All valid concerns, until now. My name is Dan Johnson, and in the next few minutes I'm going to introduce you to a digitally based WFH strategy. So intuitive, innovative and advanced, the cash delivery potential will have you begging for a pink slip. I'm pumped to introduce you to this remote work game changer, which is all but guaranteed to supercharge your income and free you from the shackles of your current, undesirable employment situation. I have been obsessed with finding a highly profitable work-from-home opportunity for years, but it wasn't until I integrated this strategy into my business as usual that I saw my entrepreneurial bottom line massively spike. Before I go any further, I want to address the elephant in the room, doubt. I'm guessing you are struggling with what you have read thus far. In fact, I'd be wondering about you if you weren't taking this with a grain of salt. The statements I've made to this point, while 100% true, may seem hard to wrap your brain around. That's because we've been conditioned to believe that only one way of working makes sense. You go to an office, you clock in, you take an hour lunch, you clock back in, you clock out, rinse and repeat. That is one way of making some money, but not vast amounts of money. That's what brought you here, right? Let me be clear about something else. Digital cross-channel marketing campaigns on autopilot are the biggest cash cow in business today. There are people out there who will try to convince you that launching campaigns is costly, time-consuming, and overly complex. Nothing could be further from the truth. These lies are being spread by people who know better. They have made a killing in campaign commissions and don't want to share the wealth. It's illogical and antithetical to the way the system works. You get paid. We all get paid. Remote employment is trending up. I wouldn't be surprised if the company you currently work for introduces a WFH option. Perhaps they already have. Perhaps you are taking advantage of it now. That's great, but there's a catch. Corporate WFH is being promoted as an employee benefit. It isn't. It's not. CEOs and shareholders may make a fortune getting out of expensive commercial real estate leases, slashing travel budgets, cutting off utilities, terminating inter-office perk contracts like coffee and Friday lunches. Once they get a taste for the savings, they will look for other cost-cutting remedies. And that might mean you get burdened with an additional workload without a salary increase. Worse still, it could mean you are expendable. That is the last thing I want for you. That is the last thing you should want for yourself. There is a better way, a more continually lucrative way to work from home. You are so close to accessing it. You've been with me to this point, and I hope you'll stick with me as I strive to give you access to the leading WFH cash grab online. Limitless income is within reach. Are you ready to opt in? For a limited time, this amazing earning opportunity can be yours for only $9. Completely optimized. 100% proven revenue generator. Your starter fee will be recouped with your first day's returns. As a bonus, you can also opt to take advantage of my no-risk 60-day money-back guarantee. Get in on the most exciting remote work opportunity online and take your income to the next level. Do not delay. Click the link in the description and get started making passive income today.